Introducing the all-new Identifix Direct-Hit experience, the next generation in auto repair information delivery, now including Direct-Hit Mobile as part of your existing subscription. Automotive techs can now identify the fix even faster with a mobile experience designed to save time searching and improve your efficiency by freeing techs to spend more time under the hood. Direct-Hit Mobile empowers techs to find the right fix in the palm of their hand, in the shop or in the field, avoiding costly mistakes having to go from PC to vehicle. Our all-new mobile app combines OE repair data with over 500,000 Identifix professional time-saving procedures and brings an up-to-date parts and labor guide right to the technician's fingertips. This provides techs with even faster access to repair information from anywhere, anytime. Imagine a world where your techs can find the right fix without ever leaving the vehicle. Direct-Hit Mobile is available at both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. The repair industry is moving to the technology of tomorrow. Save time and grow your shop's profit with Identifix Direct-Hit. Your mobile convenience awaits. Talk to an Identifix expert or buy now today at identifix.com.